Important question, that is question number 14, which is very important, generally asked in the examination, that is the technical question. But thing is that if dot product of the same vector is equal to 0, dot product of these two vectors will be 0, then what can be concluded about the vector B? What will be about B vector? My dear student, as per the definition, let me express it. That is vector A, this is theta, that will be vector B. Okay, if either vector A is 0 or vector B is 0, if either vector A will be the 0 vector or vector B will be the 0 vector, then you can say that. What does it mean? If A is 0, then theta will not be defined because A will lie on B, they will coincide. Then theta is not defined. As per the definition of the dot product of two vector. Then what will define? We define dot product of two vectors will be equal to 0. My dear student, I will take the two conditions as per this one. Okay, first case. What is the first case? Solution of this question. Dot product of these two vectors, that is 0, and magnitude of A square, that will be 0. Then what does it mean? If the magnitude of the vector will be 0, that will be 0 vector. There will not be any existence then of this vector. Okay. Another thing, what is that? Dot product of two vectors is equal to 0. Then what will happen? If dot product of two vectors will be 0, what will happen? Either they will be perpendicular to each other, vector A and vector B. They will be perpendicular. This is all. Vector A is perpendicular to vector B. Or what will happen? Vector A is equal to 0 or vector B also may be 0. You see, I want to explain this thing properly. You see, if vector A is 0, then what will happen? Vector A will be on B vector. Okay? And there will not be any vector. 0 means if its magnitude will be 0, already we defined it. Okay? Then if vector A will be 0 vector, then what you will say about the vector B? If vector A is 0, then you can say that, then we can define vector B can be any vector. That can be any vector. We can say that vector B can be any vector because definitely there will be the vector B. You see, if vector A will be 0 vector, then definitely vector A will not be there. Vector B will be there. That is why B vector can be any vector. Rest, you stop that.